Hello everyone, Brett here. If you listen very closely, you can hear one of my favorite things about the spring. The birds. We're going to make a bird drawing inspired by an artwork in the museum and the birds in your neighborhood. So grab a sketchbook and let's get ready to do some bird watching. This is Bird Tree by Max Raffler. Raffler lived on a farm that he ran with his sisters in Germany. Nature was all around him and inspired his artwork. Here we see a giant tree filled with different kinds of birds, and a nest of eggs. I wonder which bird they belong to. His painting inspires me to go birdwatching around my own home. Part of birdwatching is identifying and recording which birds you've seen. You can tell Raffler looked closely at the birds he painted by all the details he included. The colors of the birds, where the colors are located, the different patterns, and the shapes of the wings and tail feathers all show the great variety of birds that he saw. You'll need 2 sheets of paper, drawing your painting supplies, scissors, and glue or tape. Let's start by drawing or painting a tree for our birds to perch in. I'm going to fill the page with the tree like Max Raffler did in his work. I'm going to draw it mostly bare with a few buds coming in at the tips of the branches. The next step is to go bird watching. You can see birds out your window, in your yard, or around your neighborhood. You never know when you'll spot a bird, so be ready. There are many birds that stay with us all winter, but spring is when we get to hear and see the most. Early spring is especially nice for bird watching, as trees are still budding. Without leaves to hide the birds, you can easily spot them. Most bird bodies are shaped like an egg, so that's where I'll start. There's a circle atop the egg that is the bird's head. A triangle, either pointy or short, will make a beak, with an eye in the center. The tail can take many different shapes. From the side, most look like another pointy triangle like the beak. The wings tend to be angled downwards when the birds are at rest. Some birds have unique features like crests at the head that you can add on to the circle. And don't forget the feet. Some birds may be larger or smaller or have slightly different features. Use your eyes to observe what those features are and adjust your drawings. Most birds will still follow that same pattern of a larger egg-shaped body, a round circular head, beak, tail, wings, and feet. Once you've drawn your birds, start cutting them out and attaching them to your tree. See how many birds you can fit on your tree. When it gets full, draw a new tree and fill that one. This is an art project that you can work on as long as you like.